Yo, 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 free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Let's get it. All right, people, let's get it. We on fire right now. We on pace. We're just moving. This is step 2. I had to make money online 100%. All right, for top 5 countries, tier countries. This is everybody internationally. If you're paid, but if you're not on a paid program, you could do this for free. Like, you could just sign up for free, and then you could get $1 for everybody that signs up under your link. All right, so like I said, I'm teaching my team paid ways and free ways. I always got paid ways and free ways. All right, so I got everything covered. I got everybody covered. This is what I do, people. All right, this is what I do 24/7. All right, I'm just a little frustrated right now. I just did like 3 videos on one of my platforms that I was using, and they're having issues right now, so those 3 videos were not saved. So I'm very upset right now. So I got a lot of work to do this morning. All right, 8:30 a.m. All right, so now when you signed up to step 1, all right, when you signed up, now every time I tell you to go to like livelifewiser.com/wealth or livelifewiser.com/free, all I'm doing is just dressing up my referral link. Those are my referral links. But I'm just dressing them up, making them look good so they don't look all, you know what I'm saying, like with crazy referral links and stuff like that, with all these, you know, symbols and stuff like that. So that's all I'm doing, people. All right, and I teach you how to do that. I go watch a couple of my Click Magic videos, watch a couple of those videos so you guys can see how I'm doing this. All right, and I'm gonna actually do one right now for you guys right now. So so just real quick, when you do sign up, all right, when you do sign up to livelifewiser.com/wealth, which is Profits Passports. It's gonna be a multiple stream of income. All right, once you sign up, all you gotta do is sign up to all the streams. Right, they're free. Anything that's paid for, you don't have to sign up. So let me give you an example. Like, I signed up here. That's why my referral link is right here. My code's right here. All right, I signed up here, so my code's right here. All right, this one I didn't sign up yet because I have Click Magic already, but I still might do this anyway. All right, I still might do this anyway, but that's later on. I don't want to spend some money on if I don't have to. I'm already spending money on Click Magic, which tracks my links, so I don't really have to do this. But I'm going to do this anyway, just to keep it, you know what I'm saying, in sequence to everything that I'm doing with this, right? This is how much I believe in this system right here. All right, so income stream number 4 is Udemy. Very, very good, very good. I'm going to have a couple of Udemy videos on coming up. This one right here, just put your code in. Like I said, all these are free to sign up. You just sign up for free and you put your code in here, all right? Same thing, all right? So these are that was step 1, right? Now, if you wanted to just skip, like, oh, I don't want to do all this multiple stream of income stuff. I just want to just go to the $1 per lead. That's it. Pay per lead. I just want $1 per lead. That's it, all right? You're going to go to income stream number 2, all right? It's going to be income stream number 2, or you could just go to livelifewiser.com/free. All right, you go to livelifewiser.com/free. See my little man acting crazy right here. I don't know if y'all can see him. Look at him. Took his pants off and everything. What's wrong with him? I don't know if y'all can see him, but he acted up right now. All right, so like I said, or you can go to livelifewiser.com/free. Now, once you go there, all you got to do is sign up. You're going to get your link. Now, it's going to be FunnelX Advanced. So once you get there, it's going to take you right here. So when you go to livelifewiser.com/free, it's going to take you to FunnelX Advanced. FunnelX Advanced is going to be the program that you're going to be using to get your pay per lead $1. Every time somebody signs up under your link, you're going to get $1. All right. The only reason I tell you to go to under Profits Passports, all right, which is livelifewiser.com/wealth. That's just my referral link, like I said, because you're gonna have multiple streams of income. All right. But if you just want to just pay per lead, I just want to do one thing. The multiple stream of income, that's a little too much for me right now. I just want one thing. All right, so just go to FunnelX Advanced. You're going to go to livelifewiser.com/free. All right, the link's going to be in the description. You're going to click that. The reason why I tell you that is because you're going to go in sequence, because you want to make sure everybody's signing up under desktop. All right, you're going to make sure they're signing up under desktop. All right, so once you do that, sign up here, watch the video, learn, right? Learn, people, learn. Watch this video. I'm going to be a leader member, right? Leader member is like $2,000 program. System, done for you traffic, tells you exactly where to get the traffic from, top-notch traffic, like big time stuff right here. This is what I'm going to do right here. This is going to be my next program I'm buying right here. Leader member, $2,000 member, right? And you have the rights to resell this for 50% bonus commission. All right, 50% commission, to where so I sell it for $2,000, I get $1,000 commission every time. All right, so that's gonna, once I get on here, I'm gonna be looking to do this at least once a day, at least get a sale a day. $1,000 sale a day, every single day, nonstop. All right. So now, FunnelX Advanced. This is going to be the opportunity right here. How do I get the traffic for your online? Stop talking. Show me how to get the traffic. I'm going to show you guys. All right. Statistics, baby. You know I go to my stats. All right. You're going to go to My Lead Gen Secret, or you're going to go to livelifewiser.com/. All right. So when you go here, this is going to be how you get your traffic, people. All right. Now this has been working for me great. It's $30 a month for My Lead Gen Secret. All right, you're gonna get 100 leads every single day, people. You're gonna get 100 leads every single day. All right, this is for my free people. All right, I got free ways and I got pay ways. All right, so I'm covering my free online money makers right now. All right, so now you go to free online money maker. Make sure you can make your $1 a day every single day. Take that $30 that you make you make $1 a day, $30 a month. Take that $30 a month. You pay for this. Now this is free for you to use. You have 100 leads a day. So by the end of the month, you got 3,000 leads. Understand? You have 3,000 leads at the end of the month, all right? You're sending your email out to them every single day. You're sending the email, right? Now, once you sign up, they're gonna hit you with an offer, the upsell. It's gonna be his master email swipes. There's gonna be like 30 emails that are pre-written already, pre-selected, all right? That are known to convert, all right? Now, instead, if you sign up under my link, I'll give you that, all right? All you gotta do is email me, and I'll copy it, and I'll send you the PDF, and I'll send you the whole thing. And you can see the so you can have the email master swipe, so you don't have to pay an extra $30. All right, so it's a $30 a month. He's gonna try to upsell you for the master swipes. I'll give it to you if you sign up under my link. All you gotta do is just email me, and I'll send it over to you once I see you once I check you in the back office. All right, but you can see, look, I sent out to 1,300 people today. 20 people already clicked on it today already. All right, so 144 people open. Look, 1,100 the other day. I get 200 because once I get a referral, I get 200 leads a day now. So now I get 200 every single day. So that's why you see it jump from 1,100 here to 13. I get 200 leads every day. So today I got 50. I'm gonna get 1,500 leads in about an hour. I'm gonna have 1,500 leads, and I'm gonna send another email out today. I sent this out yesterday. All right. So people, every single day, you want to just keep grinding and keep building your momentum. All right. This is what you have to do. All right. Like I said, this is a free way. Let me show you my Let me go to my let me just show you my let's see if I got any more people. Let's see if I got any more people on the team. Oh, I gotta log in real quick. I'll be right back. All right, all logged in here. Let me just zoom down here. All right, so I'm all logged in here. Let me go back up to affiliates. Downline. All right, still got one member. All right, so I got one person on the team right now. All right, people. So like I said, on every single day basis, you're gonna grind. You're gonna livelifewiser.com/traffic. This is where you can get your traffic from. All right, people. And it's gonna give you a sales page and a splash page that you can send people to. All right, I'm gonna teach you guys what to do with these two. All right, so now this is the free way. All right, you're gonna use this system. It costs $30 a month, but it's actually free because you're using free online money maker system to make the money every single day. All right. So if you want like super free, you don't want to spend anything. That's when you have to go on social media, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Pinterest, Craigslist, and you go to everything, and then you sign up to and you just post every day. You just post it all day. That's gonna take up a lot of your time, but if you don't have nothing, you gotta grind. That's how you gotta start off. All right, people. That's how I started off. All right. So go traffic for me. All right, trafficforme.com. All right, link's gonna be in the bio. All right. So like I said, it's in the description. It's up to you, people. It's up to you on every single day basis. This is a paid way. All right. I paid $395, and I got 558 clicks. All right. A lot of let me go to statistics, people. You know me. I don't like to talk too much. Let me go. Well, I do like to talk a lot. Let me just go to statistics. I'll just show you proof, facts, and results. All right, people. I paid $395 for this traffic run. Now, the thing is with this is, like, you have to understand, people didn't purchase immediately, right? So you don't know if they're going to purchase later. So you have to always keep your eye open for that. But this is the offer that I put them on, the Profits Passport, which is livelifewiser.com/wealth. All right, I got a lot of people signed up. All right, 564, 562 raw links, 558, 500 orders clicked. I really like this traffic. So it's only the reason I didn't use this again because I ran out of money. All right, it's $395. I don't got $395 every 3 days to put on this. It took about two days, 48 hours for the order to go in. So I put it in, and then like 48 hours, everything was back. All my clicks were in. All right, and I looked on my account, and I looked into a back office, and I saw all those referrals that I showed you guys earlier. All right, all the referrals I showed you guys here. All right, this is how it generated from there. All right, I think I launched it on the 13th, and by the 14th or 15th, I got so many signups, people, like maybe over like 20, 30, 20. I mean, probably got like 30, 40 signups. All right, people. So like I said, I believe this works because you don't know. These people might not have the money right now. It's quarantine and all that. They might pay later. They might buy product later. They might buy stuff from me later. So you never know. All right. So you never know. So you don't always want to throw it on the back burner. But for right now, I'm going to use a different traffic source and just keep it pushing. All right. Now, if you watch the video, you know everybody. Hey, what's up, big guy? Now, if you watch the, you want a hug? All right, big guy. Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead. Go watch your cartoons. So now, kind of doing both babysitting. My girl's working from home, so I'm kind of watching him and doing this at the same time. All right, so now what you now you have to understand. I ran out of money, $395. Right, so like every couple of days, you always want to have clicks going to your. You see what I'm saying? You always want to have targeted clicks going to your offers every single day. You don't want to have some people coming in, some days other people not. All right, so you have to use different traffic sources. So I'm gonna put this on the back burner and pay attention and wait to see if people sign up from this traffic source later. All right. So Udemy. All right. If you watch the videos, you know everything about Udemy. You know everything about the Udemy videos, about how to get traffic and everything that he did on the videos. All right, people. Amazing. All right. Same thing. You're gonna take your link. You're gonna take your link here, right? And let me dress up my link. I'm gonna dress that up for you guys right now too in ClickMagick. You're gonna take your link, find a dealer. All right. Find a solo, go to solo deals, find a dealer, and purchase. All right, that's all you gotta do. Purchase, give them the link. They know what to do with it. They want you to be repeat customers, so they're gonna do the best interest for you. All right. So what I'm gonna do is copy and paste this. I'm gonna clean this link up with livelifewiser.com/best traffic. All right, I'm gonna put this one livelifewiser.com/best traffic. All right, so I'm log into my ClickMagick account right here. And like I said, people, like I know it's a lot going on, a lot of different things I'm showing you, a lot of different things moving. This is what has to be done in order to get this life, people. They don't want to tell you this. They want to make it seem like it's just copy and paste. It's just 3 clicks a day. Like it's not. It's really not. Like I understand once you get it to a certain level, it can be that. You see what I'm saying? Once you get it to a certain level, it can be that. But right now, it's not that. You understand? Right now, it's not that. So right now, we're going to create a link right here. All right, we're going to go to create link. I should be logged in here. Hopefully I am. Hopefully I am logged in here. I'm going to create a link right here. Drop this down. Like I said, I'm going to do a video. I think I did do a video on this, all right? I'm going to teach you guys how to do this, how to dress your links up, all right? To make your links look, your referral links look good, all right? I'm going to show you how to make you guys referral links look good. livelifewiser.com/ I'm gonna put /best. Oh, I don't want to put best traffic, so there'd be too many T's. I'm gonna put livelifewiser.com/ oh, I don't want to do clean traffic. Clean traffic. Now what? Now, like I said, people, I could put whatever word I want. All right, like so, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put crazy traffic. Actually, I'm gonna just put crazy traffic. It's pretty cool. You can put whatever you want. You know, it's yours. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put crazy traffic right here. Now, right here, I'm gonna put the URL. I'm gonna copy and paste it right here. And my link name, I'm gonna just put Udemy. Create the link. Now I could just put Udemy on the back end of this to make it really clean, but I just put crazy traffic, and I can make another one. I just put Udemy on the back end. All right, I just put crazy traffic just to show you guys. All right, now if you go here, now I gotta go to my second page. Actually, go to my second page real quick. Now once I click Udemy, once I click Udemy, right here, and I click on it, it should take me to the Udemy page right here. All right, that's how you click on it to preview. All right, So free online money making. Y'all people be safe. I got my little man right here. I gotta watch. Say bye.